In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can sign up for a Gmail account. This is important to start off with in no code because this allows you to use Google Drive, Google Sheets, and the list goes on and on to create your MVP, your minimal viable product, and your no code app. During this video, you'll learn, number one, how to sign up for a Gmail account. Number two, you'll learn about the 3 no code products that use the power of Google products. And number 3, I'm going to be talking about the number 1 platform to utilize Google products to create your no-code app. To begin, we've got to sign up for a Google account. You can go to google.com and just type in sign up for a Gmail account, or you could go to accounts.google.com. Now, it's going to ask us to sign in, but we don't have an account, so we're going to first create an account. It gives you an option to create it for myself, for a child, or to manage my business. Right now, I'm just going to say creating it for myself. Here, I can give my name or nickname, whatever you want, and we're going to sign up. So I'm going to have my name here. Then it's going to ask me to type in a username. Now, because there's a lot of people signing up for Gmail, you're going to have to be a little bit original with this. Try to think of, a name that you'll remember, but also something that perhaps has something to do with you. So you don't want to just have a random name and then you end up regretting it, or you have to say it out loud to someone and it sounds pretty bad. I'm just going to go with a very basic name. Then you're going to create a password and you're going to make sure that you have 8 characters or more, and it's a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, it's going to ask you to sign up, and you can enter a phone number in order for you to add another level of security. But you don't have to. This is optional. Next, a recovery email. This allows you, if something happens with your account and you're going to need to send instructions to another account, it's going to ask you for a recovery one. But again, this is optional as well. Next, it's going to have a date of birth. What I would do is just put in a date of birth that you're comfortable with. And if you're not comfortable or you want to know more information, you can go and why ask for this information. You can find out why Google collects all this. For gender, you can say rather not say, or you can let them know. You're going to click next. From here, it's going to allow us to know the privacy in terms of service using this account. After you read and understand what they're going to be doing with what Google can see, your data, all of those things, then you can click agree. Now you have your Gmail account set up. You have a Google account all set up. What is the power of having a Gmail or a Google account? Number one, you now have an email address that you can log in and you can get emails or sign up for different platforms and those things. But more importantly, now we have the different suite of products that we can use with Google. We now have access to Google Drive and Google Docs and Sheets. Specifically Sheets, this allows you to now use the power of your Google account, these different products, to create no-code apps. This takes us to the 3 no-code platforms that utilize Google products. Number 1, we can use AppSheet. 2, we can use Glide apps. And number 3, we can utilize Paperform and then build out even more from this platform. What is AppSheet? AppSheet is a platform that allows you to create no-code apps and automation. You have to have a Gmail account because it's going to be integrating with Google Sheets to build the database on the back end. Sometimes when you're thinking about like spreadsheets and that might be confusing or it might feel overwhelming, just realize Google Sheets or any kind of sheet in general, that allows you to have a database to just store information. And those little cells that they have, that's storing information, and it can be all different types. Along with AppSheet, there is Glide apps, and you can create an app in less than 5 minutes using a Google Sheet with Glide app. What I really like about this platform is it's very modern, the look and feel of the apps, and the diverse amount of different templates that you can either get for free or pay at a pretty reasonable price. This can open up your world and build apps within minutes. The next platform is Paperform. Now, Paperform is a platform where you can create form builders and do a a large amount of things with your business. But you can even make this even more powerful, because after people fill out forms, it can then integrate with Google Sheets, and you can have even more things happen. For example, say for instance, you want the responses of everyone that filled out your form to go to a Google Sheet, and then that Google Sheet can then power them to get emails or get notifications or do multiple other things once the information goes into that Google Sheet. Last but not least, we're going to be talking about the number one platform I would use to get started with creating a no-code app. And the winner is Glide. I would use Glide to get started because it allows me to just move very quickly. And the amount of templates, I can start looking at pretty much any type of app that I'm looking for and at least get started. Now, keep in mind, Glide Apps still has some limitations, like every other platform. But if you're looking to move fast, have a really good look and feel of an app, and be able to edit with a minimal amount of training, I would go with Glide Apps. In the comment section down below, let me know what you're trying to create and what are the features you're looking for. And if you like videos like this, make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel, because we're putting out videos like this every single week. I'll see you in the next video.